Making shepherd's pie. So I lined my baking with vegetables. I'm doing mixed vegetables, but usually I do either green beans or corn. I didn't have any, so that's what I'm using. Then I'm going to put in mashed potatoes. I have some leftover homemade mashed potatoes that I'm going to use, but you can use instant too. Alright, once you put a good layer of mashed potatoes in the casserole dish, you're going to smash them down and make a flat surface. Alright, now that it's flat, I'm going to stick mine in the oven for about 10 minutes because I didn't heat the mashed potatoes ahead since they're leftovers from yesterday. But if you made instant mashed potatoes or you have hot, fresh mashed potatoes, you skip this step. While we're waiting for the mashed potatoes to heat up so we can go to the next step, I browned my ground turkey. I used some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, and chili powder, and you can season to your heart's content. My turkey is browned and I will do the next step. Alright, so I took it out of the oven after 10 minutes and I'm going to stick the meat on top now. Now that you have a good thick layer of the meat, we're going to layer it with cheese on top and then bake it. Alright, now that we have the cheese layer on, we're going to stick it in the oven, preheated at 350 and ready to go. We're going to bake it for approximately 20 minutes. Alright, it looks good. The cheese is fully melted and it's ready to serve. Enjoy!